Alright, man, welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. First of all, I want to wish all the mothers a happy Mother's Day. Hopefully your day was everything you expected it to be. Today's video, I want to talk a little bit about, again, the return of the Hemi and why us last call owners don't have to worry. Stay tuned for the video. Alright, as you heard from the intro, man, I want to talk about why us last call owners don't have to worry about the return of the Hemi. Before I get into that, man, it's just a little random thought from last night. There was a pop-up car meet, I don't know what you want to call it, bunch of muscle cars, Chargers, Challengers, Mustangs, Chrysler 300s, you name it, they were out there. But before I could actually get the camera started, PG quickly dispersed it. Let me attach with a little bit of video I was able to catch once after the shock of it being there unexpectedly. A little bit of video I got, so I'll share it right here. Alright, check it out, man. They had a little car meetup down here, and PG broke it up real quick. But you know it, man. It was Chargers, Challengers, Mustangs everywhere. But as you can see now, the parking lot is empty, man. PG ain't having it. Got about 3 cars left over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. All right, as you can see, it was pretty random. Again, it just caught me so off guard I wasn't able to even think to get my camera rolling to catch all the footage and stuff. But as you can see, PG was there talking to one guy with his hood up. Everybody quickly dispersed when about 4 or 5 cars pulled up, police cars pulled up. But anywho, that was that. But all right, like LC Raw 007 said, man, that we don't have to worry about the return of the Hemi and these new Chargers, because these last calls and everything before the last calls are tried and true, man. We know what we got, right? We done put them through their paces already, so we're not really sure when these new ones come out what the quality is gonna be like, the performance or the styling. So, you know, I'm totally pleased with my last call. So I'm not worried at all about this coming out, man. If this is your first time on my channel, man, like, comment, and subscribe.